Now, is that situation where you said the notes would need to be held?
Right, that's what I'm going to go back and do right now. Let's go back in here.
What would you do without Frank?
Recreate this, and we'll tick on the hold notes. And let's see what it looks like then.
Maybe watch it.
Did I lose one? What?
Yeah, the channels disappear.
Oh, did I not?
Can you explain those channels? I didn't quite know the name of those MIDI channels.
Sure.
Personal roll and MIDI.
They're random. They're named whatever the person that wrote the MIDI file decided to name them. They're meaningless. The numbers to the left of them are the index number in the MIDI file, and they don't have to be sequential. Like, for example, this one goes with 0, 1, 2, and 9 for whatever reason. They skipped channels 3 through 8, and again, it's dependent on the artist. So they generally, people name them. It just dropped off again. I think I need to toggle off that. But, and I'm the first to admit that this application is not without its fair share of bugs.
Maybe it's a problem with the non-sequential indexes.
I think I had to make it drop down.
And you were going to click hold notes?
Hold on, thank you. All right. Maybe this time we'll get it to work.
We're all about holding the notes here.
Air programming squared.
Yeah. All right. So this is, you'll see this has a lot more chunkiness here. Looks like there's one channel that might be. That's better.
Not very dynamic.
It's okay. I don't like that one. You want Rudolph?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
This is good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So let's put 7 or 9 on this one.
Got the drums going? Rock on.
Do hold notes. Apparently, I have to get very confused when the MIDI channels are not in order.
You need to have a boom for this.
There's a lot to do there. See how this works. So, what I generally tell people for doing MIDI files, like this is a great place to start, and then you can start tweaking from there and adding your own channels, or, you know, for example, you know that these notes are too long, you can come in and highlight them and turn off those squares, and you can come in and just easily edit the grid on or off to get the notes exactly where you want them. One of the ones that actually worked well, which is not a Christmas song, which was Basket Case by Green Day. That was on the site I was on. Only 3 tracks. Without holding the notes. It has more than one channel eventually. Whatever reason, that one works amazingly well. It really depends on the quality of the MIDI and who wrote it and how they wrote it. What is the other ones we should Oh yeah, Europe's Final Countdown.
I was about to say that.
I have a running joke with a friend of mine, so I built him a Final Countdown sequence using his misfile. This is from Arrested Development. This is Joe's magic song, if anybody watches Arrested Development. Raise your hands, Arrested Development fans. Yeah, good, excellent. For
Watch
everyone that
Hulu
doesn't
just
have
for
their
that.
hand up, go rent them all right now.
Hulu. It's all on Hulu.
Hmm?
Every episode's on Hulu.
Oh yeah, they are, man. Actually, when we're supposed to be working, him and I usually watch them.
They'll make the yacht disappear. Make the yacht disappear.
Maybe.
Yacht.
Oh, exactly. For once there was a yacht, now there is not. No, but I think I don't think anyone wants to hear 5 minutes and 26 seconds worth of Europe. There's a test channel thing in here, so you can go in and just press the buttons to make sure they all flash, turn them all on, turn them all off, to make sure you can see which lights are working and which aren't, which is helpful. You can go back in here and edit your sequence properties, so if you want to reassign output ports or MIDI channels, you can do that. You can reassign everything except the music file. You would just be creating a new sequence in that case. Or you can go in and edit the XML by hand if you really want to do that. But so that's it. Question?
Can you put more than one MIDI channel on a output card?
More than one. So if two channels tied to one, no. I could add that, I suppose. I'm taking features. If anybody has features at the end, feel free to email them to me, because I have a list already, but some are easier than others, unfortunately.
Really cool if you like animated.
That's one of the things I want to add, but this grid is so slow to move. Because I've tried doing it programmatically to move the scroll bar, or to move the grid or whatever, and it slows down so much that it starts screwing with the timing of the song playback. So,
How we get I don't know what the term is, like a less granular view of it.
a view of it, that could work, yeah.
Sort of like high def.
I suppose I could write my own. I mean, this is like a data grid that supports data binding and all that stuff. I mean, I'm not using any of that. I suppose through GDI I could draw a crosshatch grid that would be far faster, more
WPF?
Yeah.
Brian, can you show some fidget code where if you just wanted to turn channels on and off, I could see how to do that? Like if you wanted to use a fidget board for something else.
Just outside of this?
Yeah, is there that embedded in your library now where you're actually
It looks
saying...
complex in what's here, but let me see if there's I have my Wemo car on this machine, which is actually up here. This one.